Mel 2204, your project blogger host. Subscribe. Magandang araw Pilipinas. Now is the time for the Q&A round of Miss Philippines Joy Barcoma for the hashtag law. Panoorin po natin ang kanyang Q&A round for the top 8 of Miss Earth 2025 finale.
Your word is law.
Law. No one is above the law. And we hope that everyone can hear this message. Every decision that our politicians are making, every policies that our government officials are passing for our people affects the lives of everybody. Social justice, environmental justice is also human justice. And so we must make sure that every law we pass is a right for every person on earth. Thank you.
Philippines.
At sadyang ginalingan nga po ni Miss Philippines Joy Barcoma ang kanyang Q&A round. Patuloy na umantabay sa channel na ito para sa susunod na mga update. Maraming salamat sa panonood at huwag kalimutan na mag-subscribe.